Welcome to this presentation where I discuss the problem of duplicate YANG module prefixes. My name is Martin Wolf and I am a member of Cisco's ConfD and programmability team. By duplicate prefixes, we mean the situation when two separate modules declare identical prefix. A module prefix is often constructed as a shortening or an acronym of the module name, but this can obviously lead to duplicates as shown in our two example modules. Match patterns has been shortened to PAT, platform attributes has been shortened to PAT as well. As far as the YANG standard is concerned, this is not a problem. The standard does not stop us from using the same prefix for all modules, but the RFC 8407 or Guidelines for Authors and Reviewers of Documents Containing YANG Data Models suggests that we keep prefixes unique as much as possible. The purpose of the prefix statement is to suggest the prefix to be used when this module is imported, so anyone familiar with one of our two modules might reasonably expect that the type of the leaf value comes from that module, or that the leaf ref path points to that module. But that might not be the case, and the reader does not know until they scroll to the top of the module with the import declaration. Then there are other practical problems. If we want our device configuration to be managed by ConfD, a management software framework for network elements, the first thing that we need to do is to write and then compile a YANG module set modeling the device. If the module set contains our two modules and we eventually try to start ConfD with the resulting fxs files, ConfD immediately terminates complaining about the prefix that is declared by both modules, so ConfD cannot run in such setup. For this problem, there is a workaround. When compiling one of the troublesome modules, we can tell ConfD to use different prefix using the compile time option --prefix, and ConfD then starts just fine. This is applicable even for third-party modules that we do not want to modify. For NSO, or Network Service Orchestrator, the situation is similar. We have a device that we want to be part of a network orchestrated by NSO, and the device model includes our two PAT modules. We then use tools like netconf netbuilder or NCS make package to build a netconf net and provide that to NSO. When we try to start NSO or tell it to reload its packages, NSO aborts with pretty much the same error message as ConfD. Unfortunately, there is no reasonable workaround now. Technically, you can modify the net building process so that the --prefix option is used there too, but this is already quite advanced and it should not be needed in the first place. Good approach to prevent the problem is to use the full module name or at least larger part of the module name as the prefix, as it is used, for example, by the Cisco IOS-XE platform data model. The prefix there is the module name minus the platform name. And finally, if we want to be sure that our set of YANG modules does not suffer from the problem, we can use a simple tool like this awk script to detect duplicities. Note that the script has some basic assumptions on the module layout. If they do not hold, more complex tools like a pyang or YANGer plugin may be needed. The ConfD framework and the NSO platform are both described on their Cisco DevNet sites, where they are also both available for download. The awk script mentioned earlier is part of the ConfD demos project on the GitHub. For further resources, refer to the TLF site. All these links are available in the description below this video.